All right, looking at your test 3 review for tomorrow. Okay, just going to go through several of these problems just to try to help y'all out. Make sure you got a good grasp of everything tonight while you're studying. Okay, so the first two are just order of operation problems. Okay, number one, we're going to start with our multiplication right here, which is going to give me negative 18. And then the same thing here, which is going to give me positive 8. And negative 18 plus 8 is going to give me negative 10. Let me readjust my board real quick, y'all. Okay, number two, this type has been in our um, quizzes here for the last couple of days. We're going to start on the inside, so 4 minus 7 gives me negative 3. Then negative 10 times negative 3 gives me positive 30, which is going to give me 37. And then number 3, x is 5. Okay, so we're going to plug in 5. Now, a lot of y'all are still messing up here. You got to square first, which is going to make that 25. And 25 times 4 is going to be 100. Okay, number 4, we did one of these today on your make an appointment. Number 4, 25 is a perfect square. The square root of 25 is going to be 5, and you divide your exponents by 2, which makes that x to the 5th. 5 is a perfect square. 10 is divisible by 2, so there's no radical left in that problem. All right, number 5 is just a plug-in problem, so we're going to say 6 times negative 2 minus 3 times negative 4. It's going to give me negative 12 plus 12, which is going to make our answer 0. All right, number 6, 7, and 8 are equation problems. Okay, so number 6, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to change these double negatives to a positive, so now I'm actually going to be subtracting 4. Okay, so that's going to be x equals negative 12, because your signs are the same there, so you add and keep the sign. Number 7, we're going to start by multiplying 8 times 5. That gives me 40. Add your 3, and x would equal 43. And then for number 8, okay, you're going to rearrange. I'm going to rearrange first with my 4. That's going to be plus 4x, which is going to make 10x. Remove my 2. That's going to be 8 minus 2, which is going to be 6. Now, when I divide this time, you do have to reduce down to 3/5 for your x. Don't leave that as 6 over 10. All right, number 9, 10, and 11 are inequalities. Okay, so we're going to start right here on number 9. You're going to multiply by 4, which is going to give me 5x is greater than or equal to 60. And then you divide by 5, and your x should be greater than or equal to 12. Number 10, we're going to combine like terms here. Okay, and rearrange. Oh, that was a minus, wasn't it? Just kidding. That's 1x plus 3. Okay, and then move your 3 so you get 19. And remember, we do want to flip it around with the x on the left. So our answer is x is less than 19. All right, and then move your 11 here. All right, so warning, warning, we're dividing by a negative, so we are going to flip our sign. And then we're going to have to flip it again because we want our letter to be on the left. All right, S&T are supplementary angles. Supplementary means 180, so we're going to add them up. So 3x plus 2x is going to give me 5x, and 39 plus 6 is going to give me 45, and that equals 180. So move your 45, and then divide by your 5. So x is 27, but they want angle S, so that's going to be 3 times 27 plus 39. Should be 120. Right perimeter is 48. Okay, so you got your rectangle. X and 3x minus 4, 4 less than 3 times. So usually 3, 6, 7, 8x minus 8 is equal to 48. Move your 8, and x is 7. So 7 is your width. Then you're going to plug that in. So 3 times 7 minus 4, 21 minus 4 is 17 for your length. All right, 14 is our weight problems. Coach Hall weighs 25 pounds less than Greats. So Greats is our X and Hall is X minus 25 together. So add that up. They equal 335. So X is 180. 180 would be Greats, but they wanted Hall, so you have to subtract the 25, and Hall is 155. Four consecutive even. So even and odd, remember, is n plus 2, n plus 4, n plus 6. Add all those up. That's going to give you 4n plus 12 is equal to 340. Subtract your 12 and divide by your 4. And n is equal to 82. So they want all four, so it's 82, 84, 86, and 88. All right, 16 is your triangle problem with PQR. Okay, so PQ equals QR. PR down here is 4 inches longer than 2 times, so that's 2x plus 4. And here are your x's. So that's going to be 2, 3, 4x plus 4 is equal to 36. And y'all should be able to do this two-step equation from here. So 8 is going to be PQ and QR. And then 2 times 8 is 16. 16 plus 4 is 20. All right, so I'm only going to set up the last two for you, okay, and let you going to solve those out. The base of an isosceles triangle is 4 more than, so we've got an isosceles triangle, 4 more than 3 times the equal sides. So 3, 4, 5x plus 4 is equal to 44, and you're going to solve from there. Okay, and on your homework sheet, if you will draw me a heart around number 17, I will give you some extra credit on your test tomorrow. All right, and number 18, same thing. I'm just going to set it up for you. Johnny purchased 3 cups and 4 plates for $17.03. A plate is 2 more than a cup, so your cup is your X. Your plate is X plus $2. So he bought 3 cups and 4 plates, and that equaled $17.03. So from here, you would distribute and combine your like terms and then solve to give me X. And they do ask for the plate, so you'll have to add $2 to what you get.